ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Miss Rashmi Davis. Hello students, welcome back to the chapter 1, Environment. We have already studied about the term environment in the previous video. Chapter number 1, Environment, we saw the story of Ravi. What did Ravi do? He told about the things which he had already seen around, right? He saw about the change in the environment. Even his principal mentioned about that. So the term environment came out from the story. We learnt what is environment. Whatever we see in our surrounding, that is termed as environment. Then we saw the components of environment. It is divided into two parts. One is natural environment, the other one is human environment. Natural environment is further divided into two, biotic and abiotic. Biotic is all the living world, abiotic all the non-living world. And human environment that we studied in the components of environment was interaction, activities, all these things together form up a human environment. Today's our topic is natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise together to form natural environment. Here you can see the four realms of the earth. Natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Lithosphere is all about land. Hydrosphere is all about water. Atmosphere is all about air. These three abiotic components together form up to make biosphere. In simple terms, if you want to know about biosphere, biosphere is a narrow zone where life exists. Here you can see the first term, that is lithosphere, solid crust on the hard top layer of the earth. Here you can see the diagram, children. This diagram has different layers of the earth. The first layer of the earth is crust. The second inner layer, which you can see, is mantle. And the third is outer core and inner core. So the three layers of the earth. Today we are just focusing on the first term, that is lithosphere. Solid crust on the hard top layer of the earth. Here you can see the half part which is cut and kept. You can just see here the blue area which is shown here, that is hydrosphere, the water area. And this area is the soil, the land. It is made up of rocks and minerals. And it is covered with a thin soil. Okay? It is made up of rocks and soil. Lithosphere consists of various landforms such as mountains. Mountains are like peak shape. Okay? How? Peak shape. Second, plateau. Plateau is like plain area and you have a table type stand. Okay? That is termed as plateau. Plains are generally the fields, and valley. Valley is like a low-lying area where the waterfall takes place in the hill or the mountain. It provides us, what does lithosphere provide us? It provides us forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlement. The second component of environment, that is hydrosphere. You can see water. Water, almost 90%, okay, of the earth is covered with water, 70.9%. The domain of water is hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies. What do we try to understand with this? Various sources of water. Sources means different places through which we get water. It can be rivers, lakes, seas, ponds, etc. Whereas different types of water bodies. Now water bodies can be either in the water vapor form, glacier form, and the different sources through which we get water. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we are going to see the third realm of the earth, that is atmosphere. The thin layer of the air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. Imagine earth, okay, round shape of the earth, and you have the atmosphere, the air which is around it. That is termed as atmosphere. Then the second point is telling what? The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. When I am trying to tell about atmosphere, you have to understand there are air particles which is hold on, okay, on the earth by the gravitational force. That's why the air doesn't move on. It stays back. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It protects us from the harmful rays, that is UV rays, ultraviolet rays, and the scorching heat. So it protects. Atmosphere helps us to protect, right? It consists of number of gases. There are lots of gases which are present, life-supporting gases which are present. Among them, few are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon. Nitrogen is useful as a fertilizer. Then you have the oxygen which we breathe in. Carbon dioxide which is useful for plants, for making photosynthesis, for cooking. And you have argon. Argon is used for the welding purpose. You have the dust particles and water vapor. So children, you have understood with the term natural environment. Go through this video and try to see what all I have taught. It is taught in a simple and easy manner so that you can understand. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.